Hello. Today we will present you a pizza oven model EF85. This is an electric rotary oven. Installed electrical power 9 kilowatts. Capacity 4 PCS. Pizzas 33 centimeters. Weight 750 kilograms. The oven has a silicone plaster design Italian flag. For more information, www.astermforni.com. We will bake 4 pizzas on safety nets. Baking time is 3 minutes. Baking temperature 330 degrees Celsius. We want to check the quality of baking. We will reach a temperature of 450 and 500 degrees Celsius. We will check the insulation of the oven. We turned off the air conditioning. The room temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. The measurements are taken at 3 p.m. The idea is to have a bad climate regime. Temperature 50 to 55 degrees Celsius. Very good insulation. Thank you for your attention. Good luck.